Throughout the day, our rooms are cleaned and sanitized in all traffic areas, such as sinks, doors, tables, used works, chairs, and restrooms. Each evening, after all of our disinfecting measures have been met, we go through each classroom daily with our EPA-approved electrostatic disinfectant fogger to make sure that nothing has been missed. Our closing is performed from 6 to 7 p.m. daily and is assisted by professional cleaners as well. Not only do we use our electrostatic disinfectant fogger on the inside at the end of every day, we use it on each of our 3 playgrounds daily. Our goal daily is to continue to provide an outstanding Montessori program filled with great social experiences for our children in a healthy environment.